Hello everyone, I'm Stephanie for Simply Pennies. It's time to take a walk around the penny. Let's kick off the winners with Skybridge Technology Group, symbol SKGO. The company operates a green energy company called Shot in the Gas. The equity shot up over 14% on roughly 194 million shares. No particular news out there, but traders rallied the stock on massive volume. Our next winner, ICOA Incorporated, symbol ICOA, had a jump of 100% on a close to 137 million shares. The company is a national provider of internet networks in high-traffic public locations. No news out today, but the company provided its year-end update and national Wi-Fi strategy for 2011 in late December of last year. Their press release predicted a 39-fold increase in mobile data traffic from 2009 to 2014. This mobile data traffic includes smartphones, laptops, and flat-rate data plans. And finally, we have Helix Wind Corporation, symbol HLXW, which rose nearly 29% on a volume of over 300 million. The renewable energy company works in design, manufacturing, and sales of wind turbines. A press release this morning announced that the company was awarded a notice of allowance for a patent application that was filed in 2007. The patent was filed in the U.S., but the company has related pending applications in Europe, India, and several other countries. On to the losers. We start with a winner from yesterday, APCX Corporation, symbol APCX. The mobile application company had over 1 billion shares yesterday, but today fell 25% on an equally impressive volume of nearly 903 million. A press release this morning announced the completion of the first phase of an app for a Brazilian soccer development academy. Traders then sold the stock off on heavy volume. We'll keep an eye on this. The next loser is Colorado Goldfields, symbol CGFIA. The gold and silver mining company hasn't had any news since December when its CEO and CFO were interviewed on the Big Biz show. The junior miner collapsed over 85% on a volume of over 180 million. Again, no news out there, but the stock certainly took a beating. We've seen quite a bit of cloud-centric systems lately, symbol CLDR. The cloud-based technology company has been pretty popular amongst traders recently. After this morning's attempt to sell the news of a deal with a Malaysian distributor, the stock fell over 33% on just over 188 million shares. And the last loser of the day comes courtesy of SPFM.com, symbol SPFM. The stock was down all day, but eventually climbed up to end the day with a 0% change on a volume of over 124 million. The company is one of the world's largest caller ID spoofing services, and earlier this month they launched their largest spy store application, iSpy and USpy. They are listening devices for phones, cameras, and other spyware that can hear conversations from over 100 yards away. The company says these gadgets are useful tools to help catch cheating significant others. Watch out, Tiger Woods! Chat rooms went crazy over Larga Vista Group, symbol LGOV. After opening at 0.0015, it saw a high of 7 cents, and the low was the same as its opening price. It launched an amazing 1,300% on over 26 million shares and closed out the day at 0.014. The company plans and constructs natural gas pipelines in China. There was no news out there on the rally, but it seems the stock is being currently promoted. TAON Minerals, symbol TAON, opened at 0.0089 and had a high of 0.0119 and a low of 0.0089. It rose nearly 8% on over 31 million shares before closing at 0.0095. The company made a splash in chat rooms after providing a corporate update this morning. The mining exploration company is currently developing its El Camino gold mine. They estimate that a substantial amount of gold and other precious metals are in that area. Finally, our quote of the day is from Trader 9305, who said, "My wife tells me I can look, just don't touch. But it is more deadly to look when you're driving." Well, that depends, Trader 9305. Do you drive stick? Let's dive right into some BS. Online Vacation Center holdings, symbol ONVC, sprang up roughly 373% on a tiny volume of just 220. We've seen this company before, but we still don't know what they are or what they do. They're classified under transportation services, but they have no business description and no news. What's up, mystery company? Another stinky stock is Universal Solar Technology, symbol UNSS. They are making their first appearance on our show with a jump of over 730% on a volume of only 100. The solar product manufacturer hasn't had any news since November, but that hasn't stopped it from having a series of impressive rallies on insanely low volumes. Nice try, guys, but we can smell you coming from a mile away. Here's your BS trophy. Well, that does it for today. Tomorrow, Keith will host as Kat and I are off for a couple of days. Thanks for watching. I'm Stephanie. Bye. But we still don't know what they are or what they do. They're classified under